Luno BitCoin Wallet Security.
Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Learn passive income concepts. Click the link down below.
Open up Luno. It's free cryptocurrency wallets. If you want to improve the security, go to the top left hand screen underneath home on your profile. Might have to sign in or click on security. Create a new PIN of your choice. Confirm the. If you want to improve the security, click on the top left hand screen on the Luno free cryptocurrency wallet. Click on security. As you can see, you can update your password, passkey, or you can even enable two-factor authentication. If you scroll down, you can even enable touch ID. Get a password. There's app lock. As you can see, this is going to auto lock, or if you use a PIN or ID to unlock the app, your devices, API keys, etc. To improve the security as well for Bitcoin on the Luno wallet, click on settings, scroll down until you see verification, or if you want, you can click on Bitcoin right here. Completely for free, you can buy, send, or sell Bitcoin.